Using these two models, I'm going to explain the blood flow from the coronary arteries back to the right atrium. Showing you the coronary vessels, we would start at the base of the aorta. Then this big artery right here is the right coronary artery. Branching off is the right marginal artery. And then underneath the pulmonary trunk would be the left coronary artery. And you can see that in this model here, right there. Then going into the anterior interventricular artery, the left circumflex artery going around. Under here, you can see the posterior interventricular artery. Now, in the myocardium of the heart, we have the arteries, and then we would have the arterioles, capillaries, venules, and then veins. So each of the arteries drain into the vein that is next to it. So here we have the great cardiac vein. This cardiac vein goes all the way around. So as I was saying, the great cardiac vein goes all the way around the heart and drains into this big bubble here, which is the coronary sinus. And something to note is that we see the middle cardiac vein right here and the small cardiac vein. And the small cardiac vein, the middle cardiac vein, and the great cardiac vein all drain into this coronary sinus. Okay, now doing the pathway, you would start at the base of the aorta and then go into the left coronary artery, into the anterior interventricular artery. Then in the myocardium, you'd have the arterioles, capillaries, venules, into the great cardiac vein. And then the great cardiac vein goes all the way around and drains into the coronary sinus. Then from the coronary sinus, in the right atrium, we have this small little red dot, which is the opening of the coronary sinus. So the blood would then drain back into the right atrium, and the pathway would start all over again.